Good morning, guys. The Strait of Hormuz has been closed again. Today, April the 18th, we are hearing that the IRGC has closed the Strait of Hormuz yet again. And this has come after the reopening of the Strait of Hormuz, which the President of the United States, President Trump, announced yesterday. So, yesterday, being April the 17th, the President of the United States, Trump, announced the reopening of the Strait of Hormuz. And we saw an instant reaction in the financial markets. Before I go further, I want to tell you how important the Strait of Hormuz is. The Strait of Hormuz is one of the most important oil choke points in the world. Roughly 20 to 25% of the global oil supply passes through it daily. So yesterday, when Trump announced the opening of the Strait of Hormuz, there was an instant reaction in the global market, the financial market. We saw Bitcoin went high, all-time high in the year 2026. It went from $74,000 to $78,000. Amazing, right? That is how this news can dictate the market. We saw the NASDAQ reported a high number. We saw the S&P 500 also reporting highs. The only thing that dipped was the oil prices. Everything else reacted positively to the news. But today, we're hearing another news from Iran saying they have closed the Strait of Hormuz due to the presence of the U.S. Navy. They want complete freedom in their ports before they can reopen the Strait of Hormuz. Now, there's been a reaction. The crypto market, Bitcoin has gone down since the news. Ethereum has gone down. Solana has gone down. Pretty much everything, is reacting negatively to this news. Now, what's going to happen on Monday? Would there be further escalation? Or would there be tension to quickly negotiate a peace deal so that everything can flow normally again? Or would there be a negative reactions like with the stock market crash? Of course they are going to react. I know this for sure. The market will react negatively. So we're just hoping that something quick can happen from now till Monday so that we are not seeing a negative impact in the financial world. Now, if this war continues, what is going to happen? Already there are going to be crashes. There'll be recession, inflation, which nobody wants that. Think about it. Do you want that? We have already seen gas prices in Canada, for example, has really gone very high. Matter of fact, I'm going to be going on the street to interview people, to talk to them and see how this war has impacted the economy, the financial economy, and the global economy, and the economy in Canada. So what you need to do now is to share this video, subscribe, and follow me for more details. All right?